Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get UDID on iPhone step-by-step process. So the first thing that we're going to do is to just simply open up Safari, and then here what we want to do is just simply search for show my UDID. So just search that up, and then after that just simply click on the first link that will pop up from here. What you want to do now is just simply click on tap to show you the ID, and then just click on allow, and then there you go. So it says profile downloaded. So it says right here review the profile in the settings app if you want to install it. So let's just close this, and then let's open up the settings app, and then once we're here just click on profile downloaded. After that just simply click on install. After that just simply enter your passcode for your iPhone if you have one. Lastly, just simply click on install, and then just wait for it to install. And then after that, you'll be redirected to a website and where your UDID will be shown. But quick reminder that you should not show your UDID to anyone, as it can be dangerous if you share it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.